Hello viewers, how are you? I am S. Mahesh Kumar, the business head of Levera Print Solutions. We offer printers and printer consumables to our customers. Today in this video we are going to understand how to choose a perfect printer suitable for your printing needs. Choosing a right printer for our home or office is always a big task because our needs and wants varies time to time. We Levera is here to help you out. Our objective of this video will help you on how to arrive at a right printer that meet your needs. Why do we use a printer? A printer is being used to connect with a computer or to a wireless device to print the content when necessary. Desktop printers are of 4 different types and every printer has its own qualities, advantages, disadvantages pertaining to the application and purpose. A better understanding on it will make you to choose the wise one for you to print your documents. Dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printing, sometimes called impact matrix printing, is a computer printing process in which ink is applied to a surface using a relatively low resolution dot matrix for layout. Dot matrix printers typically use a print head that moves back and forth or in an up and down motion on the page and prints by impact, striking an ink-soaked cloth ribbon against the paper, much like the print mechanism on a typewriter or line printer. Inkjet printer. Inkjet printing is a type of computer printing that recreates a digital image by propelling droplets of ink onto paper and plastic substrates. Inkjet printers are the most commonly used type of printer and range from small inexpensive consumer models to expensive professional machines. Laser printer. Laser printing is an electrostatic digital printing process. It produces high-quality text and graphics and moderate-quality photographs by repeatedly passing a laser beam back and forth over a negatively charged cylinder called a drum to define a differentially charged image. The drum then selectively collects electrically charged powder substance called toner and transfers the image to paper, which is then heated to permanently fuse the text, imagery, or both, to the paper. Inktank printer. Inktank printers each feature a print head containing thousands of tiny holes. These tiny openings drop microscopic droplets of ink onto the paper in the printer at a speed. Inkjet machines use a liquid ink produced either by a colored dye or a liquid that contains solid pigments in suspension. Here the print media inks are being stored in a chamber built in or adjacent to the printer. Let's summarize the contents of this video. In case of low usage, you get 2 choices. One is buying inkjet printer or otherwise called as diskjet printers. Second one is buying entry-level laser printers if you wish to use for a long period of time. In case of high usage and mono option, the best choice to go with laser printers. Laser printers offer value for money and can last for a longer time. Periodical maintenance is minimal and affordable. In case of high usage and color option, the economical choice to go with Inktank printers. The operational consumable cost with Inktank printers are very economical. But life cycle of the products depends on the product you select. Should in case you could afford, for higher capital cost printers, choices are also available with color laser printers. In case of photo printer option, the only option is to go with inkjet or Inktank printers. New age Inktank photo printer delivers excellent images. In case of printer that has to print with a carbon sheet stationery, the one and only option is dot matrix printer. It is available with 9 and 24 pin options 24-pin printers delivers an excellent clarity and sharp prints, while 9-pin printers can deliver an acceptable and readable quality prints. Thank you very much for your valuable time, and hope this video would help you to choose a right printer for now and future. It's S. Mahesh Kumar, representing Levera Print Solutions, a business organization in the field of printer and printer consumables. For more information or recommendations, please call 8220020234.